Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 best DJI drones for 2025. These picks are great for beginners, travelers, and pros who want fun and high-quality shots without too much hassle. We start at number 5 and work up to the top spot. Each drone has cool features, but also some small downsides. Let's dive in with simple tips on why they shine. Number 5. DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K is a super light and easy drone that weighs under 250 grams, so you don't need to register it in most places. It's perfect for new flyers who want to capture clear 4K videos at 30 frames per second without spending a lot. This little guy has a 3-axis gimbal to keep shots steady, even if there's a bit of wind up to level 5, which is about 24 miles per hour. You get up to 31 minutes of flight time on one battery, and it reaches 10 kilometers away with the OcuSync system for smooth control. The DJI Fly app makes flying simple with tutorials and fun moves like Helix or Boomerang that add wow to your videos. It shoots 12-megapixel photos in RAW or JPEG, and you can control the camera by hand for better looks. At just $299 each for the basic kit, it's a smart buy for trips or quick family clips. The downward sensor helps it land safely, and it folds small to fit in your pocket. In 2025, it's still a top starter because it's tough and reliable for everyday use. Pros: super cheap and easy for beginners. Lightweight means fewer rules to follow. Good 4K video and steady shots. Long battery and fun auto modes. Cons: no side sensors, so watch for bumps. Basic camera compared to pricier ones. Shorter range in busy areas. No big zoom lens. Number 4. DJI Flip. Meet the DJI Flip, a clever foldable drone from 2025 that's under 250 grams and feels like a toy with pro tricks. It folds into a tiny ball with guards around the props, so it's safe for kids or new users, no cuts if it bumps something. You can launch it from your hand without a controller, using voice commands or the app for quick selfies and follows. The 101.3-inch sensor grabs 48-megapixel photos and 4K video at 60 frames, with slow motion up to 100 frames for cool effects. It has forward sensors to dodge trees or people, and level 5 wind resistance keeps it steady outdoors. Battery lasts 31 minutes, and it goes 10 kilometers with clear O2 video feed. Vertical mode is built in for TikTok clips, no cropping needed, and noise reduction helps audio sound clean. At $439 basic or $779 with extras, like more batteries, it's great for vloggers on the go. The RCN2 controller has a bright screen for easy tweaks, and auto modes like Master Shots make epic videos automatically. In 2025, it's loved for being fun and safe without feeling cheap. Pros: fold super small and safe with guards. Hand launch, no controller needed. Sharp 4K 60 video and vertical shots. Good for social media creators. Cons: struggles in strong winds sometimes. Basic tracking for fast moves. Extra cost for full kit. No full 360 avoidance. Number 3. DJI Air 3S. The DJI Air 3S steps up in 2025 as a mid-size powerhouse at 724 grams, folding neat for travel bags. It rocks dual cameras, a big 1-inch wide sensor for 50-megapixel stills and 4K at 120 frames, plus a 70mm tele for 3x zoom, perfect for landscapes or close-ups. Low light shines with less noise thanks to smart tech, and D-Log M Color lets you edit like a pro. Omnidirectional sensors with LiDAR spot obstacles day or night, so it's safe in woods or cities. Flight time hits 46 minutes, speed tops 60 miles per hour in sport mode, and O4 transmission goes 20 kilometers with low lag. Active Track 360 follows cars or hikers smoothly, and vertical 2.7K video fits Instagram easy. The RC2 screen is bright at 700 nits for sunny days, and it stores tons on microSD. Priced at $1,099 basic, it's for hobbyists who want pro shots without huge size. Wind resistance is level 5, and return to home works even if signal drops. This drone balances fun and power for trips or events. Pros: add awesome dual cameras for zoom and low light. Full obstacle dodge, including at night. Long flights and fast speeds. Easy tracking for action shots. Cons: over 250 grams, so more rules apply. Pricey for casual users. Heavier to carry than minis. Needs good space to fold out. Number 2. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a 2025 favorite for its tiny 249-gram body that packs big league skills. It films true 4K HDR at 60 frames in vertical or horizontal, no crop needed for social posts, and grabs 48-megapixel RAW photos with a 1.3-inch sensor. Omnidirectional sensors watch all sides to avoid crashes, even in auto modes like Focus Track that locks on runners or bikes. Battery gives 34 minutes per charge, max speed is 38 miles per hour, And 04 feed streams 1080p video 20 kilometers away crystal clear. Quick Shots and Master Shots auto-create Hollywood clips, and the gimbal tilts 90 degrees for portrait ease. At $759 with RCN2 screen controller, it's regulation-free in many spots and folds to backpack size. Wind holds at level 5, and APIS 5.0 weaves around branches smartly. For creators, Waypoint flights let you plan routes ahead. It's the best Mini for pros who travel light, but want no limits on quality. Pros light and rule-friendly everywhere. Pro-level 4K vertical video. All-around sensors for safety. Smart tracking and long range. Cons shorter battery than bigger drones. Can flare in bright sun. Less steady in heavy gusts. No dual cameras for zoom. Number 1. DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Topping 2025 charts is the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, a pro beast at 1,063 grams with triple Hasselblad cameras that scream cinema. The main 100-megapixel wide lens, plus 48-megapixel mediums and telezooms to 7x, shoot 6K video at 60 frames or 4K at 120 for buttery slow-mo. D-Log color grading gives huge edit room, and the 360-degree infinity gimbal rotates smooth for any angle. Flight lasts 51 minutes, hits 60 miles per hour, and 04 Plus beams 18 miles with zero delay. Omnidirectional LiDAR senses everything, even dark spots for fearless night flies. Active Track 360 nails, cars or crowds, and free panorama stitches massive views. The RC Pro 2 has a 7-inch bright screen that flips vertical, with 128 GB storage built in. At $2,699 basic, it's for filmmakers who need Top Gear fold sturdy but needs C2 rules. Wind level 6 keeps it rock solid, and firmware adds mid-flight lens swaps. This is the ultimate for stunning pro work. Pros triple cams for insane detail and zoom. Longest battery and smoothest flights. Full pro tools like 6K and gimbal spin. Tough build for real jobs. Cons high price tag shocks beginners. Heavy, so strict flying laws. Big when folded, less portable. U.S. availability spotty due to tariffs.